There's nothing on earth like a genuine, bona fide, electrified head of broccoli. What'd I say? Broccoli. What's it called? Broccoli. That's right, broccoli. Broccoli, broccoli, broccoli. Hey everyone, Mark here, and welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you something that's fast, easy, and of course, delicious. Spaghetti with broccoli. This recipe is everywhere, and I do a couple things a little bit differently with my version, and one of those things is adding cheese. You know I'm going to do it, so let's just start. Okay, so grab your broccoli. I grabbed one bunch from the store. This is enough for about 4 people, 2 people if you're hungry, 1 if you're like me. So let's start by removing the stems and chopping up the broccoli into small chunks. So what I'm doing differently here is 1, we aren't keeping our broccoli pieces in small chunks. More on that in a second. 2, we aren't cooking our broccoli in the water we are cooking our pasta in. There are 2 sides to this, and I'm on the side of losing all that flavor in the water that you're gonna end up pouring out after anyways. I want all that flavor in my pan, plus with what I'm gonna do with the broccoli, it would make it very difficult anyways. All right, so don't throw this out. There's a lot of good stuff in here. All you need to do is just take off all this fibrous stuff on the side. So you're just gonna cut down to reveal the inside of the stalk. Now, you know what you're gonna do with the scraps. Just use it for your soup, your stock, when you make it. That's it. This is all flavor. You can add this into your dish, or if you want, while you're cooking, just cut them up into strips. Okay, now that our broccoli is chopped up, this is where I do my own thing. We're gonna chop up our broccoli very fine, essentially like broccoli rice. Now, you can definitely use a knife, but I find it can be messy, so grab a food processor and pulse away all your broccoli. But once you're done, your broccoli should look like this. Now we can slice or chop up 2 to 3 garlic cloves and grate about 100 grams of Reggie, Parmigiano-Reggiano. Then in a pot filled with boiling water, generously salt it and add your spaghetti. Hey Mark, you use spaghetti a lot. Damn right I do. It's one of my favorite cuts, and I love a long pasta you can twirl in your fork and get a nice bite. While the pasta cooks in a large pan on medium heat, add about 1 cup of extra virgin olive oil. I know it's a lot, but like spaghetti aglio e olio, it's basically our sauce. Add your garlic and saute until fragrant. Add your broccoli and season with salt, freshly cracked pepper, and chili flakes, which I meant to add with the garlic. Then add a ladle or 2 of pasta water to the pan. This is gonna help form our sauce because of the starch that's in the water. Continue to cook until we add our pasta. Remove your pasta just before al dente to finish the cooking process in the pan. Now you're going to quickly stir and toss to form that sauce and emulsify. In Italian, this process is called la mantecatura or mantecare. And as you can see, the oil and pasta water are emulsifying to become our sauce. Now we're gonna add our Reggie, and it's going to become a thicker and richer sauce. Add the cheese and continue the process of mantecare, and look at what you get. Look at how creamy it looks. The broccoli looks like it's a pesto, and we married the pasta and the sauce together. It's beautiful. Let's just plate this and eat it. Woo! Okay, there it is. Spaghetti with broccoli. It's really creamy. And I love that it kind of almost turned into like a broccoli pesto. Every twirl, you're gonna get a nice hit of broccoli. You know, sometimes with this dish, you're picking up just a piece of broccoli on its own. But with this, you're getting broccoli every time. So I hope you give this a go. And as always, the full recipe is in the description below. Please like and comment. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And until next time, ciao.